Biomarkers. Now, what exactly are these? Well, they're essentially substances that, when applied to another substance, tend to give off a colored hue in indication of said substance being present. For example, in Bioret reagents, proteins can be detected, and with iodine, starch can be detected. And so iodine gives off a black hue, while Bioret reagent gives off a blue and violet hue to indicate the presence of said substances. And so this applies to Science Olympiad in the sense that there's an event called Disease Detectives. And I feel like I know where you all are going to go with this. And you probably are all thinking diseases are not substances, they can't be detected by biomarkers. But this is where many people tend to be wrong. So there's this kid, and his name is Jack Andraka. And so at the age of 13, a close family friend of his, who he had considered an uncle, died of pancreatic cancer. And so this got him thinking about the idea that pancreatic cancer is not detected until late stages. And that's when he finally, blossomed his idea. So by age 15, he had got a lab in JHU based on his main idea and managed to evolve it into the idea that he could have a piece of paper and attach it with many different carbon microtubes and have a certain pattern of antigens which would be able to detect a certain protein only found in the early stages, which is where biomarkers come into play with this, because now you have an indicator of a certain substance, proteins, which could be Bioret reagent, but for a specific one in this case, we would need a different substance. So essentially, biomarkers can detect substances, and they can be used to detect virtually any disease. And imagine all the breakthroughs that could come with this. Biomarkers.